For 3 long years, Ali worked harder than anyone around him. Every morning, he woke up before sunrise. He made a simple breakfast, packed his old bag, and sat at his small wooden desk. While his friends watched movies, played games, and enjoyed holidays, Ali studied for hours. He believed one sentence with all his heart: hard work always brought success. His parents noticed every sacrifice. His mother quietly left a cup of tea beside his books every night. His father smiled proudly, but never interrupted his studies. Whenever Ali felt tired, his mother gently said, "Don't give up. Your efforts will change your future." Those words gave him hope again. Finally, the examination day arrived. Ali entered the examination hall with confidence. He answered every question carefully. He checked his paper twice before he submitted it. When he walked out of the room, he smiled for the first time in months. He believed he did well. After the exam, he waited patiently for the results. Every single day felt longer than the last. He imagined his parents celebrating his success. He imagined receiving congratulations from his teachers. He even dreamed about buying a small gift for his mother with his first salary one day. At last, the result day arrived. His hands shook as he opened the website. He searched for his roll number once. He searched again, then again. His smile slowly disappeared. His roll number was not there. He failed. For a few moments, he could not breathe properly. His eyes filled with tears. The room suddenly felt silent. All the late nights, all the sacrifices, all the dreams, everything seemed to disappear in one painful moment. He sat alone on his bed. He looked at the books that once gave him hope. Now they only reminded him of disappointment. He whispered, "I worked so hard. Why did I fail?" His mother quietly entered the room. She did not ask any questions. She simply sat beside him and held his hand. Ali cried like a little child. His father came home later that evening. He looked at the result, then looked at Ali. Instead of showing anger, he gently placed his hand on Ali's shoulder. He said, "A failed exam did not decide your future. It only tested your patience." Ali listened silently. His father continued, "You worked hard, and nobody can take that away from you. Success sometimes arrived late. Many successful people failed before they finally won." Those words touched Ali's heart. That night, he cried. But after crying, he stood up. He cleaned his desk. He arranged his books again. He opened a fresh notebook. At the top of the first page, he wrote, "This was not the end of my story." The next morning, he woke up before sunrise once again. He made another study plan. He corrected his mistakes. He solved more practice papers. He asked his teachers for help. He learned from every failure. This time, he studied with experience instead of fear. Months later, another examination arrived. Ali entered the hall with quiet confidence. He completed the paper calmly. When the new results came, his hands still trembled. He searched for his roll number. There it was! He passed! Tears filled his eyes again. But these were tears of happiness. His mother hugged him. His father smiled with pride. Ali finally understood an important lesson. Hard work never went to waste. Sometimes success simply arrived later than expected. And sometimes disappointment became the first chapter of a beautiful success story. Vocabulary review used in this story. Worked means used his energy doing something. Woke up means stopped sleeping. Made means created or prepared something after something. Packed means put things into a bag or box. Sat means took a seat. Studied means spent time learning. Watched means looked at something carefully. Played means took part in a game or activity. Enjoyed means had a good time. Believed means thought something was true. Brought means carried or caused something to come. Noticed means saw or became aware of something. Left means put something somewhere before going away. Interrupted means stopped someone while they were speaking or working. Felt means experienced an emotion or physical condition. Gave means handed something to someone. Changed means made something different. Arrived means reached a place. Entered means went into a place. Answered means replied to a question. Checked means looked carefully to make sure something was correct. Submitted means officially gave something to be checked. Walked means moved by using his feet. Smiled means showed happiness with his face. Did means performed an action. Waited means stayed until something happened. Imagined means formed a picture in the mind. Dreamed means thought about something wonderful for the future. Opened means made something ready to use by uncovering it. Searched means looked carefully for something. Disappeared means went away so it could not be seen. Failed means did not succeed. Shook means moved quickly from side to side. Filled means became full. Seemed means appeared to be. Looked means directed his eyes towards something. Reminded means helped someone remember something. Whispered means spoke very quietly. Asked means wanted information or requested help. Held means kept something in the hands.